Got a question from Nugu Lucante. How long should you have normal savings for before you go for a loan? That's a great question. Let's answer. The answer is 3 months. But again, you got to define what you mean by normal. Now, I just want to let everyone know about banks. They're not out there to catch you. They're not out there to decline your loans. They just want to see what your normal living expense is. What they don't want to see is that just because you're taking out a home loan, it doesn't mean you're going to live your lifestyle around bread and water. What I mean by bread and water, that is you stop going to the movies, you stop having your Netflix subscription, you stop going on holidays. So that's the thing that they don't want you to do. So I don't really encourage people to manufacture 3 months of living expenses just for the banks to see. I would just say go and live your most reasonable life in terms of spending money, and naturally give them the 3 months living expenses for them to check. But I would say the difference between presenting 3-month bank statements to like a broker like myself or versus giving it to the bank directly is that what you give to the bank directly, they can't unsee that. But for a broker by myself, we can give you advice and coaching about whether those living expenses are to the bank standards. It doesn't mean that we coach you how to live your next 3 months so that the bank approves your loan, but we usually would suggest you see an accountant or a financial planner to do a budget. Revise what are you spending, how are you saving your money, and usually clients who come out of those type of exercises, they come out with more clarity on how they're spending their money, and they're also much more prepared in taking out the home loan without jeopardizing their lifestyle. Hopefully that answers your question.